Welcome back to my channel on Summer Games. So I'm sorry I've been late on the update of the Sirens on the police team, but yeah, there's a new update on the police team. It's only on the police team where you find the siren. So it's the siren. Okay, what is this? What is this officer think I wanted? Okay. Let's rather move away from it. He does too. Why is this officer? Okay, so anyway, so as you can see, if I go to whale on my sirens, that's a difference. And if I go to the sheriff team, okay, we just train. To do that, choose double three, triple three, sorry. And by the way, very thank you to Gamer Yugen. He's the Roblox. He was the first person that liked and subscribed. So anyway, so if we go to, okay, I don't you think I practice this code? If you do, please leave a comment. Fun fact. Okay, so if we go to, we're gonna check the sirens. Let's check. Okay, that was also on whale, but as you can see, the update's mostly in the police team. Okay, so thank you. That'll be all for now. Bye.